Hello students, this is first lecture of chapter number 4, Basic Algebra and Algebraic Manipulation of your D-1 book. So today's lecture is about uh, exercise 4A, 3 question number 1, 2 and 3. So question number 1 is the statement is write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. So the statements is given. So we have to convert these statements written in English in mathematical form. So I start from part A, like add 5y to the product of A and B. So this is part A, add 5, this is 5y to the product of A and B will be A multiply B, product mean multiplication. So product of A and B means A multiplied by B. And then add this product, this A into B in 5y. So 5y, the first term, and the second term is the product of A and B. So I'm adding 5y in A multiply B, which can be written as AB. So AB. So I have converted this statement written in English in mathematical form in algebraic expression. That is 5y plus AB. All right. The next part is part D. We try this part. This is about converting this in English statement in mathematical form. 2w, divide 2w by 3xy. So it is very easy. Just divide this 2w. So we can use the fraction or this division sign as well. 2w divided by 3xy. And this can also be written as 2w over 3xy. So this is your answer. This is mathematical form of this expression. Or this is an algebraic expression 2w over 3xy. So the last part is part F. I'm doing this. Twice the variable p, twice means multiply by 2 or double the variable p. So when we multiply p by 2, it becomes 2p. And then divided by the product of 5 and q. So product of 5 and q will be 5 multiplied by q, which is 5q. So twice the variable p, 2p, divided by the product of 5 and q means 5q. Or it can also be written as 2p over 5q. So I have tried 3 different parts of this question, 5 part A, part D and part F. So you're supposed to do the rest of the parts and along with these parts I have done today. So question number 1 completely, you have to complete this question number 1 with all the parts. Okay, moving towards next question, question number 2. It is about inserting the values in this algebraic expressions given in the parts A, B, C, and D. So I'm trying here part A and D. So part A is 4x minus 7y. So if you read the question, it is said given that x equal to 6, so this is the value of x, and y is equal to minus 4. So I'm inserting these values in this expression, 4x minus 7y. So I'm writing 6 here, whereas 7 y will be replaced by -4. All right, solve it. 4 times 6 or 4 6 are 24. Whereas minus into minus, we know that minus negative into negative gives you positive or plus. And 7 fours are 28. So when the signs are same, we'll add. So 24 plus 28 gives you 52. So this is your answer of part A. Okay, I'm going to try part D now. Part D is 3x plus x by y, or x over y minus y square. So again, we have to replace these x and y's with their values, like x equal to 6 and y is equal to -4, which has been given in the question. So 3 as it is, whereas x is 6, and then plus x over y. So x over y is 6 over y is -4. Similarly, minus y square. Y square means -4 whole square. All right, simplifying it, 3 multiplied by 6 gives you 18. And this can be simplified by dividing this whole uh, fraction by 2. So 2 threes are 6, whereas 2 twos are 4. Now this positive and negative sign multiplied each other gives you negative. So this will become plus minus minus. Three by two, and this negative sign as it is, and this -4 gives you plus 16. So plus 16 minus, this become plus 16, because negative square is positive. Y was minus into minus plus, and 4 square means 4 multiplied by 4 gives you 16. So we are left with 18 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 can be written as 1.5 in decimal form, because 3 over 2 is 1.5, 1.5 minus 16. All right. You're simplifying it. We know that when the signs are same, they will be the numbers are added. So negative negative signs are same. So they will be added 1.5, 1.5 plus 16. So it gives you what? 17.5. All right. And sign as it is, negative signs, negative 17.5. So 18 is a larger number. So we'll subtract it. 18 minus 17.5. Why we are subtracting? Because their signs are opposite. So take carry from 8. So it will become 7. This will become 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Point as it is, 7 minus 7, 0. And this one. So our final answer is 0.5. Okay, we try another question. Question number 3. This is question number 2. So question number 3. So again, this question, we have 3 variables A, B, and C, and their values are given. A equals 3, B is equal to -5, and C equals 6. So I'm trying part A here. Part A is A into 3C minus B. Okay, insert the values here. We know that A is equal to 3, whereas B is equal to -5 and C is equal to 6. So I'm replacing this A by 3. Similarly, 3 as it is, whereas 6 is 6. C is 6 minus B. B is -5. I'm writing the bracket for separating it. All right. Simplifying it, 3 as it is, whereas 3, 6 multiply each other. So 3 multiplied by 6 gives you 18. And negative, negative, positive, plus minus into minus plus. So 5. All right. Simplifying the bracket as we have learned the BODMAS rule, 18 5 is 23. And 3 times 23 gives you 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, 69. So this is our final answer. Okay. I try part D now. Part D is B plus C over A plus A plus C over B. So it's inserting the values. B plus C will be -5 because B is -5 and C is 6 over A. A is 3 here. Plus as it is, where again A is 3 and C is 6. So plus 6. And B is -5. Okay, simplifying it. -5 plus 6 in the numerator of the first fraction. Signs are opposite, so they will be subtracted. So 6 minus 5 gives you +1. Obviously, we will write the sign of the greater value. So it is +1. And denominator 3 as it is. Similarly, this plus minus this one. Plus minus becomes negative, whereas 3 plus 6 gives you 9 over 5. Now we have two fractions and we have to subtract the second one from the first. So the basic rule is to find the LCM of the denominators, 3 and 5. So 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is, and now 5 ones are 5. So LCM is 3 times 5 or 15. So basically we have to make them like fractions in order to subtract or add. So how to make it like fraction? It is very easy. Just multiply with such number which makes it 15. So 5 3s are 15, we know that. Similarly, 3 will multiply with such number which gives you 15. So 3 will multiply with 5 because we know that 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 15. So when you multiply the denominator with any particular number, we have to multiply with the numerator as well in order to keep the uh, equivalent fraction. Similarly, it will multiply by 5. So now we know that 3 5s are 15. So 15 is LCM and 1 5s are 5 minus as it is, and 9 3s are 9 3s are 27. So 5 minus 27, we know that the sign of the 5 is positive and sign of the 27 is negative. When the signs are opposite, we subtract. So 27 minus 5 gives you 22, and obviously we will write the sign of the greater number, so it will be -22 over 15. And this fraction is -22 over 15. So we can write this fraction in whole number notation or mixed fraction. So 15 ones are 15 and 7 is remainder. So this fraction will become First, we will write negative sign because it's a negative fraction, and then 1, then 7, and then 7 over 15. So this is your answer. Minus 1 whole 7 over 15. All right. I'm giving you part B and C as your home assignment, along with those questions A and D, which we have done in this class. Similarly, for in question number 2, part B and C, and along with A and D, and in question number 1, all the parts. So your home assignment is exercise 4A, question number 1, 2, and 3 complete. All right. So this is the end of your class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.